In the bustling city of New Eden, memories were a lucrative commodity. People could buy, sell, and trade their most treasured recollections, making it possible to relive moments from others' lives. The black market for memories thrived, with shady dealers peddling the most coveted experiences. Lena, a young and ambitious memory hunter, had made a name for herself in this underworld. She had an unparalleled ability to track down rare and valuable memories, often at the expense of those who possessed them. Her clients would pay top dollar for the chance to relive a loved one's favorite moments or experience a thrilling adventure. One day, Lena received an unusual offer from a mysterious client. They wanted her to procure a memory that was both highly sought after and potentially deadly. The memory in question belonged to a former assassin known only as the Shadow. Rumors circulated about the Shadow's most memorable hit, a high-stakes heist that had left a trail of bodies in its wake. Lena was intrigued by the prospect of owning such a valuable memory. She agreed to meet with her client and discuss the terms of the deal. The mysterious figure revealed themselves to be an affluent collector seeking to expand their collection of rare memories. The catch was that Lena would have to extract the memory from the Shadow's mind without leaving any evidence behind. It was a daunting task, but one that Lena felt she could accomplish with her expertise and skill. She agreed to take on the challenge, eager to add the coveted memory to her portfolio. Lena spent weeks tracking down the Shadow, who had gone into hiding after their last job went sour. She finally located them in an abandoned warehouse on the outskirts of town, where they had been living under a new identity. Lena carefully made her way inside, avoiding detection by the Shadow's loyal guards. As she navigated the dimly lit corridors, Lena came face to face with the Shadow themselves. They were a striking figure with piercing green eyes and jet black hair. For a moment, the two locked gazes, sizing each other up. "You are the memory hunter," the Shadow said, their voice low and smooth. "I am," Lena replied, her hand resting on the grip of her gun. The Shadow chuckled, a cold, mirthless sound. "I did not think you would be brave enough to come for me," Lena smirked, confident in her abilities. "I am not here to negotiate. I need that memory." With a flick of their wrist, the Shadow activated a device on their wrist, and Lena felt a strange sensation wash over her. It was as if her mind was being probed, searching for the most valuable memories. The Shadow began to relive their most memorable moments, sharing them with Lena in vivid detail. She saw flashes of gunfire, explosions, and high-speed chases through the streets of New Eden. With each memory, Lena felt herself becoming more and more enthralled. But as the Shadow continued to share their experiences, Lena began to realize that something was off. The memories were too real, too visceral. It was as if she had become a part of the Shadow's world rather than just observing it. The Shadow noticed her unease and smiled again, this time with a hint of satisfaction. "You see, I have been doing this for years," they said. "I have honed my skills to the point where I can make you feel like you are living my memories." Lena felt a shiver run down her spine as the Shadow's words echoed in her mind. She realized that she had made a terrible mistake. She was now trapped in the Shadow's world, reliving moments that were not her own. In the end, Lena managed to extract the memory from the Shadow's mind, but it came at a cost. She left with a newfound appreciation for the value of memories and the danger of playing with fire. The experience had shaken her, leaving her questioning everything she thought she knew about herself and those around her. As she walked away from the warehouse, Lena could not help but wonder if she would ever be able to escape the Shadow's grasp.